Hi guys, welcome to a special video on how to check backlinks for your website. Now, one of the key important things for your website is you have to know where the traffic is coming from and how many websites are linked to your website. Now, I'm just going to give you a quick example here on how to check backlinks using Google. Now, I am on Google right now, and as you can see, I'm on the home page, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to check how many backlinks I've got for my blog. So I'm going to type in the word links, and I'm going to type in a colon, and then I'm going to type in my website, imranasim.com. This is a blog. Okay, as you can see, according to Google, I've got just over 948 backlinks for my website. So this is pretty good, considering this tool is, it's absolutely free to use. You don't have to download any software. And let me just scroll down. Backlinks for my website. So every link this is on here is sort of related in some way to my website. So they're all linking to my website. I mean, I've got a couple of articles as well, on these articles, and they're all linking to my blog. So you can use this for any website. So let's just see. Let's see how many backlinks there are for the website. Okay, let's just see. Let's try Twitter. Now this will have a lot of backlinks. Okay, it's over. I think it's 1 billion. Okay, these are all the links, backlinks for Twitter. As you can see, this is sort of a rough estimation. It's not an exact estimation of the number of backlinks for your website, but it's sort of a rough estimation, and you can check this for any website, any blog, and it just gives you a really good idea on how many websites are linking to your blog. Okay, hope you enjoyed this quick video, and I hope you can check how many backlinks you've got for your website or your blog. Thank you for watching.